products of value in sustainable construction?
In my perspective, and for the members' perspective, timber obviously brings a great value in environmentally friendly, and where it places products, what our members produce, in so much so that the BWF have been working with DEFRA, the Department for Rural Affairs and Food, in the last 18 months. And in December last year, the department launched their Timber in Construction Roadmap, and that is their strategy to improve products within construction. So actually that's a great opportunity for us to be able to show how timber products can meet the government's zero carbon target by 2025 as well. So we're really excited about that because we were a key part of that roadmap to that launch.
As a long-term BWF member, what inspired you about your Vicaima visit?
Oh, now that is a hard question. I mean, first of all, just to be welcomed by Vicaima, who's hosted us today, is just absolutely amazing. Cannot tell you how excited the board have been about that. It's the first time we've sort of gone on a road trip, and we've got a couple of new members on the board, so for them to be able to see production facilities for doors as opposed to the windows and other products and stairs that they manufacture has been great. It's been technologies that you're introducing as in your production facilities are incredible. Vicaima have been a long-standing, valuable member of the BWF. So to come and visit them in their homeland and to see what you're doing here has just been, it's been great. And it's opened our eyes, I think. It's given the board a really good perspective and look outside as well as just looking in within the BWF. And we as an industry, I think we get caught up in being seen as too traditional. And what we've seen today is not traditional manufacturing. It really is technologies and engineering at its best.
How does BWF FDA spread the awareness of fire door safety?
The BWF, we have a number of very high profile campaigns. So the first thing is we have our Fire Door Safety Week campaign, which runs in September every year. And the reach within that campaign is into the millions now, tens of millions. We always find that our stakeholders support it. It's even now being written into the government's fire safety strategy, which for us is wonderful because it gets our campaign right there in the government's own campaign. For fire doors as well, we have the Be Certain, Be Certified campaign as well, which is all about promoting third-party certification, robust standards, looking at the label, visibility of the products that you're manufacturing.
What future opportunities do you see for the timber industry?
We've been through a choppy trading climate. The pandemic impacted on all industries, all sectors. We within supplier into the construction sector are seeing some real challenges, especially within the UK market. And that is a concern for us. On the flip side, being able to see that our products can help meet zero target agenda, that government are seriously taking note of what timber can do and timber products and put it into their roadmap. So we'll be, I would say, in a place to be able to move forward as an industry through this choppy climate and being able to work with government and just represent what we do. So to me, it's quite mixed. We know we're in a challenging world, but actually we're producing products that people want and quality and the feel-good factor, and government have woken up to that fact, which is really positive to us. And I think we're a passionate industry, and timber drives that passion just by the source of the material that it is.